King Joash reigned for 40 years between the Jubilee years 3076 AM to 3116 AM. His starting year, 3076 AM, is situated in the 5th year of the 4th week in the 62nd Jubilee cycle. His ending year, 3116, divided by 50 equals 62.32. This is 62 full Jubilee cycles completed. The fractional component is related to the 63rd Jubilee cycle. The fraction itself, 0.32, when divided by 2 gives us 0.16. This is the 16th year of the 63rd Jubilee cycle. Its alignment is in the 2nd year of the 3rd week in the 63rd Jubilee cycle. You can find the biblical references in 2 Kings chapter 12 verse 1 and 2 Chronicles chapter 24 verse 1.